So I wanted to customise the original valve caps on my mountain bike. So to do this, I used a pair of green dice. The idea was to use the dice as a sleeve to go over the original valve caps. So to drill a hole, I used a drill bit which was the same diameter as the valve cap, and then I put a piece of tape around the drill bit to use as a depth guide. I held the dice in place with a pair of pliers, and this would help to support it in the drill press. I then used a knife to remove any excess plastic. Next, I needed to secure the valve caps inside the dice. To do this, I used a 2-part epoxy. After mixing up the epoxy, I pushed the valve caps firmly into the dice. So when the epoxy had dried, it was just time to fit them to the bike. So thank you very much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.